Hi, it's Katie with WTI, and light up skates have really become all the rage with the kids these days, especially if you take them blackout skating. If you just have to have your light up skates, then this brand, LJJ, is a great one to go with. We like it because not only does it light up, of course, with lots of different colors, but this red and black just looks so cool. These skates are more than just good looks, though. There's lots of nice, thick padding to keep ankles and legs nice and comfortable while skating. And one feature that I haven't seen before is this vent by the toe. If your child has really hot, sweaty feet, like my son, he has the sweatiest feet ever, but it has these vents at the front to help air them out a little bit, help cool them down. There's also some nice safety features about these skates. The laces on the front help tighten it, especially for children with narrower feet. Then there's the Velcro strap around the ankle to tighten it, and then also this ratchet strap around the calf. So you know these skates are going to stay on and stay nice and secure. Another great feature that I love as a mom is that these are size adjustable. And so there's a button right here on the bottom. You push it and you can push it in or extend it, extending the life of the skate for your child. So before you end up at your next blackout skate without light up skates, check out these ones by LJJ. But that's just my point of view.